Hello kay Glaze tatake sinunduda kami ni.
Guys,
Baba. Dito na po. Kuya. What is the correct pronunciation your name, Kuya?
Sven.
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 It's
Like seven without the E.
Yeah.
Sven.
I understood.
Yes. Hello.
going to Tibuli. Oh. Ito yung sa Sagamay nga province ng Tibuli.
Okay. Kaya po dito kami ngayon sa public market ng Tibuli. Kasama ko si Sir SB. School blood sir, pindang.
Yeah.
Pindang.
That's good.
Salty. Yeah. Dry fish. Native coffee sir. That is native coffee.
Yeah.
And there this is tobacco.
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 Wow.
Banana cure. You take a picture. The banana how
Ano yan natin? Donut?
to donut sir. Yeah, sir.
Ito yung donut. Donut ko ng Tibuli.
Ano yan, guys?
Donut.
Wow, this is a really nice strong area.
Yes.
Ganda.
We can stop somewhere.
We can stop somewhere. Can we stop somewhere? Stop the tree. Stop.
Sa taas.
Sa taas. Dito sa may ano. Dito. Okay, lang. So,
Tumigil kami dito para magkuha ng footage si Kuya. Kuya Steve. Ah? Sven. Magkuha siya ng footage.
There you go.
euros kay English pero ganito yung panahon dito.
Doon sa Baguio ka na?
no.
Malamig.
Malamig.
Malamig. Ano ba sila doon? Sampay sila. Oh, may mabutsi sila. Huwag kayo sabihin. Oh, look, but it's beautiful. Oh. The rain will subside later.
Oh, the clouds are hanging on that side of the mountain.
Ah, okay.
Also, our property.
Yeah.
Yan, oh. May picture daw sa kamay niya sa loob na picture ka.
Oh.
Bahay kubo ni Ka-Ingles. May Ka-Ingles mo yan. Wait, bonfire.
Dili daw ito matulog ka rin.
Etay.
Dito tayo mamaya matulog ka English. First time namin nakapunta dito. Tingnan nyo yung view. Look at the view guys. Diyan. Parang nasa Baguio ka lang.
The fogs is the clouds is lower than sight.
Nanguha pa siya sa
Like
meron silang ano guys, kamatsi. Anong yan ito? Sarisa.
sarisa.
Yan, marami siyang ano.
Bakit daw?
Ito. Ito sa baba.
Ito video na. It's called this sarisa. Wow, it's very nice.
Welcome to the rest house. This is beautiful. Okay. Tara, let's go.
Dito na.
My God! Teenager naman pala. Dahil na si ano? Dahil si
Dun.
Ben, tayo sa dito. Dito to.
Kahit si Ka-Ingles dito daw.
Guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Tibulino. Sama tayo doon sa kay ate at saka yung sa German niyang asawa. At yung may-ari, si Ate Grace. Sumama tayo sa kanila kasi yung mag-asawa babalik na sa Germany.
Kaya gusto nila kaming makabanding ka English.
Gusto nilang magsama kami. Na-invite kami nila.
Do you think the piece of that piece?
It's like cat, but it tastes like fish.
Joker nga talaga ni Sir.
You like it?
Tastes good.
So,
Yeah.
See the meat?
And?
It's good fish. I like it better than tilapia. She does not like freshwater fish. She only likes saltwater fish.
Yes, I like tuna. Ooh, sashimi, yes. But the fish,
dati ko ate ako. Bigsun dami ko.
that is alobati.
Look, buddy. What is that?
This is palta.
Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, we are now start.
Spinach with
Spinach.
and of course. And it's never complete without rice in the Philippines.
Kain po tayo.
This one with the really good. Kinamot style Filipino.
Namit tong kahang niya.
Ngamit mo no? Sarap.
In Germany, we have less variety than in the Philippines. In the Philippines, you have 100 different vegetables. In Germany, maybe 5. So we have a lot of potato and salad, is common, very common. Almost every food we have salad. Then we have spinach or cabbage, cucumber. It's not so much. Maybe pak choy, but that's about it. Not so much. Some celery and roots. We have carrots and those things. Peas, beans, cauliflower, broccoli. So,
Okay.
these are our vegetables.
Banati kaon.
Kuna ni kuya.
Okra is very expensive. Gets imported. Things like we don't have banana leaves. Everything is packed in plastic. Rice we don't eat so much. We have it, but it's maybe 1 kilo of rice is enough for a German family for 1 or 2 months.
Ay, sorry, pangga.
Is Philippine kuya. The 1 kilo of rice, one
One day.
1 day, gone, yeah.
One day.
Us too. We in Germany we buy a big sack of rice, 23 kilos,
Yeah.
and it lasts maybe
2 months.
2 or 3 months because we eat a lot of rice. It's delicious.
Dapat talon ko, di ba? Alam. Hindi, dapat di magdala ko sa talon. Kasi hindi naman siguro magdala.
Magic. Uber cake.
Dapat talon ko ba? Ako doon, di ba kayo nakita ko?
Voila.
Ay, dalang ko lang kasi kawalan ko energy. Ano no? Ano na pamagot mo ka? Dapat talon ko.
Dina.
Ay, kumati ko sa question ko.
Grabe nun.
Ay, bakit naman ko ang siguro mo to sa...
O, dahil sulitin na ka English.
Nakapila ko video ba yun? For 6 months.